Okay, so we'll start. This session would be about previous week's recap on EURUSD, GBPUSD, 6C and 6B futures. And so we'll start off Monday. Monday, I am thinking going into Monday that this opposing candle is being respected. Daily opposing candle, price swept out a relevant opposing swing. This would be a relevant swing on H4. I can clearly see it on the daily as well because this चल जा मैं मार चलाऊंगा. This swing and this swing have clear separation between them, so this would be a relevant swing. If this uh, if this was supposed to be protected, M6B पे कब आ गया? Okay, so same thing here. Price reached into an important level, closed above. So I am thinking if price wanna stay bullish, it should respect this opposing candle, and so this low should be protected, should be held if price wants to go bullish. What's the next relevant swing from where I could frame a move higher, a reversal of this move, this level, right? This got hit on Friday, so I am thinking I can frame a move towards these highs, right? Meanwhile, at the same time, Wednesday is low, Friday is low. खुद का ही काम खराब कर दिया है देखना. वो मैं मार भी चला दूंगा. हाँ ठीक है. So at the same time, Wednesday, this was an S&P and price was showing a move higher off of that. So I am thinking move higher towards this using GBP framework. GBP says a move higher, right? So Monday, if the daily profile aligns, OLHC, I will play along with it. So you people would be able to see this H4 as a relevant swing, right? Because this makes sense for this swing to be protected. Swept out a opposing low, opposing swing, immediate move away from that. So this becomes a relevant swing then. And I framed a shot towards here. Sweep of this 6 a.m. 10 a.m. oversensitive half Friday आ गया यार. So Monday, going into Monday, I'm thinking, oh, let's see if I get. But I was preferring 6C as it was comparatively stronger than 6B. Range high as objective. Okay, going into Monday. Dun, 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 dun. This equal नहीं equal नहीं है. Swept out current low that day. We'll see. This would be a relevant point to sponsor the move higher. as I would not want this low to be revisited if price wanna stay bullish. Dun, 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 dun. Marking out EQ of this candle as well. This rests around here, so I would not wanna see this getting respected. So this becomes a relevant swing, which could sponsor a reversal to here and ultimately those highs. Now 6B. No Monday Swick being a bit of a concern. 6E मैंने चला देनी है मार. Rejecting this low almost here. Now I could think bullish from this point. It's 10 a.m. GBP बेरिश भी बना सकता है इन हाइट से. मेरे को मंडे का पोजीशन याद नहीं है एग्जैक्ट, बट यूरो यूएसडी tells me daily profile has the candidate for London low of the day, London reversal, so then New York continuation, swept out relevant low, opposing low, rejected this, showing lack of willingness to displace below here, immediately moves away. So established low of the day by manipulation. So now if this holds, I can expect New York continuation higher. This as my minimum objective for the day. 5 a.m. Let's see if I could have framed. 5 a.m. is a new H4 opening in Forex. If this was an SMP, it is equal lows in 60. I don't know if this was a SMT in Euro USD. 430. अब मैं इसका क्या करूँ यार, क्योंकि ये बहुत नाइस एंट्री है. If this was something like this, I don't know if Euro USD swept this out or not. If this was something like this would have been the best entry. Reversal, continuation entry, market order there. Too easy type of entry, too simple. But this being an equal low, I don't know if I can trust. Euro USD देखते हैं same time पे. इस पे भी equal low. बदतमीज बंदे हो क्या भाई? So it was indeed an equal low. So let it go. And 5. Can I trust this? No, I can't trust this low. Okay, this is still my objective for the day. But मैं गलत टेम्पलेट पे आ गया. इस पे रहना है मेरे को. Yes, no time frame here. इतना गंदा था ये. You're somewhere here. I can't trust this low, so I would prefer a manipulation of this to get on side with the move higher. This being too high in the range, while not being aligned with the EQ of this previous candle, resting too high above this EQ of the candle, so can stay protected, but I don't trust this. This 6 open. Okay, 6B, 6B, 540, 6B has a kind of good entry, but no problem. And this draw is still pending, so I would see this move lower as a retracement. Retracement's objective, you can say M30, M15 internal level, yes, M30 IRL. So let's see if we get something to frame off of that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Yes, nice. Coming back to form established 6 a.m. low on equal lows. What means this could be trusted, could not be. Mm-mm. But I would not prefer to trust these lows. If this was something like this, I would have taken this. But as I can't even trust this, so I will not take this instead. And so makes sense. Still not trusting. Now if price goes immediately away, now I could trust this. Mm-mm. Still objective is this move lower, framing it as a retracement. Objective being open. Yes, nice. M5, M15. Objective being open, so this move lower, framing it as a retracement. This not being the sponsor for the move, then price goes to next relevant swing. This internal level, this is not a relevant swing, no fair value gap, but maybe fair value gap, or you can use this opposing swing as well. Price showing reaction off of that, so you would frame IRL to ERL. चल जा मैं बड़ी मार चलाऊंगा. Hmm, this would have been nice. This would have been too nice of an entry. Again equal lows, so much equal lows, but miss. But can I take this? Mm, 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 mm. The risk reward doesn't align as much, so being honest, I would not have taken this because I would require at least 2 hours before the main objective getting it. So it is in the replay, so let it play, but I wouldn't have taken it live. This I can I take this 9 a.m. open low high close. GBP, yes, this looks nice. GBP is stronger at the moment. Objective, this size objective in GBP. Uh, this could have worked, but I don't trade GBP, so let's see. Would have given 2 hours, yes, so partial would have been there and stopped at break even after 2 hours. What about 6E? कहाँ गई वो एंट्री? ये एंट्री either if I were to take this, this would have stopped out, but M5, no, yes, I can't trust these lows on the M5 until this gets hit. Then M3. This is expansion to new phase consolidation to me. You can't trust this. New 930. This is not equities open in Euro USD. This is just a high time frame opening time 930. Same relevance as other time. Price forms opposing and sweeps out opposing swing. Shows immediate move away from that. Could not able to close was this, so not that interesting. Close equal but miss. यूरो एसडी थोड़ा वो है जेलस भाई, क्या बोलूँ मैं, इक्वल इक्वल बनाता है. It took so much of efforts to close, so I would rather wait for a continuation leg. But if this wants to stay protected, this EQ of previous candle should stay in respect. Price should stay in respect to this. Ideally coming back to form established low below 10 AM. Close of this is a nice entry, but risk reward doesn't align. 6B. M5. Yes, nice entry. I don't trade GBP, but if I were to, I would have taken this. 2R. Where is 2R here? 2R would have hit. I would have trailed to here above break even. Then would have trailed here. Let's see if it goes or not. 12 PM. Takes too much time. Trailing goes to here, then thereafter that's why I don't trade GBP, but yeah, almost PM session holding for over 3 hours and I would have trailed here then. Why here? 2 PM open, forming established low below it, close over opposing candle. So my trailing goes to here and I would have gotten the full TP there. Nice. First time being impressed by GBP. Let's see. 6E. Yes, if I were to take on 6E, it would have given 2R as well. Give me a second. माइकी ले जा रहे ले जा रहा माइक. Okay, going on to the next day. And we framed this move lower as a retracement because the objective was still pending, and so retracement objective being the internal level, which you can frame on the hourly as this. 8 a.m. forms the reversal in there of this move. 9 a.m., 10 a.m. we frame entries to the draw. Okay, next day, vice versa. If you remember, I trailed my stop on 2 a.m. and 2 a.m. hit our TP. This move lower looks like a retracement, then क्या कहते हैं, then a reversal. Retracement's objective being this internal level. After this is hit, 1 p.m. hits this, 2 p.m. expands away. GBP not clear of a picture. Euro USD framework, and this looks like a true breakout to me. But if this true breakout is supposed to be suppose क्या बोल रहा था मैंने, if this true breakout is supposed to be valid, then this shouldn't be revisited, and EQ of this 0.5 of this candle should be respected or the continuation next day. But we will frame the daily chart before going on to the next day. First, daily chart says me closer over these opposing candles, this becomes the draw, and closer above previous day, closer above these candles, range high becomes the draw. 6B, same idea, closer over these opposing candles, expecting expansion in the same direction one more day. 6C as a framework. H1. Now, if that true breakout is gonna be supporting price higher, the EQ of this opposing candle should be respected. Even if price sweeps out this, the idea would be still valid to me. As the EQ of previous day's range rests around there. So this opposing candle as the invalidation. Hardly this should support higher. If this doesn't is not able to support price higher, then this should be the level supporting price higher. Next day, Monday reversal and Monday established low, trading away from it. Tuesday continuation to the existing pending objective. Price displaces through mean threshold of this. So I would expect price coming to this, and I would want mean threshold of these opposing candles to be respected. And is price respecting not disrespecting? Yes, now price is respecting. रुक जाना यार. Price clearly respecting the EQ of these opposing candles, sweeping out a relevant low. Immediate move away from that, so I can say myself daily open low, immediate move away. This is a candidate for low of the day, London reversal. So if this gets held, New York continuation, and I would want to see a true breakout over these highs if I want to frame to this high. This is a relevant swing. But this being my main objective, I want to see true breakout over these highs, true breakout and not manipulation. If manipulation, then the move higher or the idea of move higher is not supported anymore. If forms true breakout, then I could frame here, 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 till here. Okay, I don't trade London, so we'll go ahead in time. 2 a.m., 3 a.m. directly expand through this. So if you trade London, good for you. Now waiting for New York. Yes, no entry for me that day. I sadly will see if New York gives me something. This doesn't look nice to me. Immediate move away from that, so I cannot logically frame it higher. This looks like a manipulation or a reversal to me. Expansion met with expansion after objective is hit. I would not try to frame another move higher as of now. 7 a.m., 6 a.m. So I would have or could have, let's see, 6 a.m. moves away. 6 a.m. This looks like nice, but I don't know at this point if price wants to reverse off of this relevant swing. So I would use this as a framework and not as a source of entry. 6 a.m. being an expansion H4 candle, so I can claim continuation entries. I would refer a run of frame short, and it's almost like yes, 7 a.m. Yes, so by the time 7 a.m. open, 6 a.m. has already given me an idea of price expanding into an objective, immediate expansion away, 6 a.m. H1 closes, so I can think manipulation over this high, so I can frame this as a reversal. Daily wick being large, I can trade towards daily open objective or current low of the day, mainly targeting around daily open, which could be this low or M30 M15 low. We will see. But I would prefer a run over this side to frame any entries lower. This low or periodic gap resting around daily open, and these should be my objective and ultimately the current low of the day. Price clearly expand towards those as well, so logically no entry for me. If M5 would have given me something, let's see. Hmm, I would have not trusted these highs any cost. This I could have trusted 730 open high. Just a second. Hello. Dun, 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 dun. If I were to take anything, but I wouldn't risk full on it. This closes below here. I can't trust this. Neither could I trust this side, neither this. But these being an opposing candle, I would not use these as a framework for entry. Use these as a POI. You can use this just as a opposing candle. Price respecting that, aligning with new high time frame open high low close, open high, closure below here. You can use this as a source of entry. Just a second. So this could be used as a framework for entry. 3 minutes closure. Yes, guys, respecting these opposing candles could not use this as a framework for entry, but can use this as a POI. Cannot use these opposing candles for entry. Can't trust this high, but can use EQ of these if this gets respected. Can use these as a POI to frame entry of another opposing candle. Price closes there. This could be an entry if you manage to get a better fill around there or there, targeting this or 2 hour. Yes, but we'll see if it gives any more. Dun, 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 to the low of the day. Would have preferred a sweep of this high, but we'll see if this is an SMT. Dun, 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 dun. This 8 a.m. open high. No SMT, but GBP looks good. Low of the day already tagged in here. I would prefer not to trade anymore that day. We'll see. Yes, goes, but can I trust this? Maybe yes, maybe no. So if I were to take, I would take half risk position there. Else I would wait for next day. Dun, 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 dun. Going on to the next day. Ah, reversals objective opposing swing, price showing lack of willingness below here. So still frame it higher next day. ज़्यादा ही हार्ड चल गया है ना. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Next day open around here. Daily, back to the daily chart. Now, oh, 3 days of continuous expansion into an objective. I won't prefer trading to the highs anymore. If it goes without me. Just like as I prefer trading short on NQ today. Why? Daily chart being the framework, being the logic. Continuous expansion away from weekly open without any established low. So previous day high being used as the relevant level. So I was preferring a run over previous day to then short. Same I will use here, either directly short from here or a run over previous day high to then short back into the range or towards the weekly open. इनके कुछ ज़्यादा ही तगड़ा चल गया भाई. True breakout below this. मेरा टिकी था ये, कितना मस्त मेरे को ट्रेल आउट कर दिया इधर. उसके भी नीचे गया बड़ा बार. 11 AM expansion candle, 10 AM H4 expansion kind of बोल सकते हो. वो तो अब कर गई है तो अब बोल सकते हैं. डेली एक्सपेंशन है बात ये. डेली की विक ही इतनी सी ओपन हाई बस. and so expands really good. RTY देखना है. Going towards week, current low of the week, unestablished low. ये भी आज ही पहुंच जाएगा क्या इधर. चलो back to EURUSD. Even though this looks good too long, but I won't prefer longing. But we'll see. Daily profile would be a factor. Monday establish low, Tuesday establish low, but if I want to long, I would prefer EQ of this current day or full. Dun, dun. Full range. Take your previous day's range to be respected. If I want to frame it higher, but I would prefer shorting than long. Dun, 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 dun. Open low, no established high, so still could think open low high. This being as an objective. Moves away. Asia reversal London retracement. GBP no established high still. If it wants to go higher, this is the best time for it. Does not go, invalidates this. EQ of previous day's range would have formed a true breakout on the lower time frame below this. This is 2 a.m., 3 a.m. I don't trade London, but by the time I am in the New York session, I can clearly see price moving away from this range high. So expansion into an objective, immediate move away, framing this as a reversal. What would be my objective? Opposing relevant swing, opposing relevant swing. So if price shows through breakout below this, I would frame towards here. Else, I would not try to do anything. Because the objective, if the objective for the day is met, I would rather wait for another day. Price comes back, so either reversal or retracement from here. If I want to short, this should be a retracement then. 5 a.m. I can see a low time frame range in here. Let's go to M15 next day. Oh, ये क्या चक्कर है ये Wednesday आया नहीं around what here 5 6 around what 6 a.m. right? Okay. Mm, yes, so I can see this as a reversal from here or a retracement from here. Anyhow, I would prefer, if I wanna frame lower, I would prefer AMD reversal, you can say, of this move. If I wanna frame higher, AMD continuation of this low. We'll see. It can go higher as well from this low being uh, displacing away from a relevant low. Can sweep this high. This move framing as a retracement, opposing swing objective, framing lower. GBP doesn't look as much nice. XM open. This makes me think I can trust these a bit, but GBP GBP makes me think I can't trust this. No established high over 6 a.m. Euro USD has a established high over 6 a.m. You will be able to see it on the low time frame. Open, moves away, no established high, comes back, forms established high, open, high, moves away. If I were to take anything, I could take limit order there with half risk, as there are chances price could still manipulate these and go lower. But pretty much of a risk reward, so I would rather half risk or don't take this. If this gets respected, I would frame the next continuation, assuming this is being held, so likely bearish order flow. Hmm, no displacement away, so decision of waiting here would was better. Goes in, sweep, sweeps it, yes. Now if comes back, I would prefer shorting then longing. Can I short this? Yes. GBP also swept out opposing swings. Retracement objective. Previous day low being as expansions objective. Or you can use this Batmiji gap as well. So or in my opinion it sweeps this once again. Moves away. I will prefer 6E. Dun, 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 dun. 8:30 open here. Now looks a bit better. Takes out these highs, immediately moves away. Reversal to then continuation. ठीक है objective पड़ा है yes 3 minute 9 am about to open. Can let's see the order structure around 9 7 7 am tags the internal level here. 8 am moves away, yes, so we can frame 9 am and 10 am contributions away from here, right? Notifications on it, but we will internal level being held, trimming away from it, trimming this move higher as a retracement. मैं इस साइड वाले में क्या कर रहा हूँ, दूसरी साइड में भी तो कर सकता हूँ. इक्वल हाइज क्या बोलूँ मैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इक्वल हाइज बनाता है यार जलस भाई. 9 am could have trusted this M5, maybe yes, but maybe not. Half risk type position. 2R would have been hit, yes, but not that of a position I would have much conviction having my target there, so would prefer to wait. 9:30 opens high, was not able to close below here. If it would have closed, this would have been a nice entry. 9:30 open high sweeping this, so now not respecting this, so M30 internal level used as an retracement objective ideally. इसके नीचे क्यों क्लोज कर रहे हो? can't trust these eyes on GBP, so would rather not trade. If it goes, it goes. The best moment would be same like it's up this close below here, except this close below here. No immediate closure. So I would treat this as a consolidation, aligning that with phases of price and time. How I would align it with time based opening prices. 10:30, I would align 10:30, M30 candle, 10:30 OHLC. Prefer a run on highs. Hmm, not much of a convincing structure to me. M5, नहीं, M15 नहीं. GBP, GBP formed SMT that could have been considered. 10:30. That entry directly on M30 could have been considered. Nope. Limit order. Yes, maybe. Okay, so it was an SMT here. The internal level objective was met. 10:30 did meet internal level objective on 6B. 10:30, 10:30. So close below here or or close below here, confirming this 10 a.m. high a bit more. Mm, Still not trusting these highs, so again half risk type of position. 11 a.m. I will say not good lower time frame structure day, but moves away according to higher time frame, yes, but not good of a structure on low time frame. So days like these happen. You have to stay disciplined with your edge. If you think it is, or you can trust this setup, you up the risk. If you can't, either you stay out or lower the risk, because those setups are your edge. If you keep taking bad setups, then you are desperately doing bad to you. If I can't trust any setup, I don't take it, even if I have the right draw, right bias. Like, को क्या हो रहा है भाई? And yes, it goes off of there, but not good of a day, I will say. Only better entry for the day, or good, not the best, but good was this. Skipping to the next day. इसको बोलो सीधे अभी. Skipping to the next day. Next day उठ गया. move higher from after taking current week's low, I could frame this as a reversal or retracement. If this was a reversal, I would then look to frame to these highs opposing relevant swing. But this being a relevant swing would tell me if this move higher is a retracement. If it's a retracement, it would reject off of this high. If this move higher is a reversal, it would form a true breakout over here, and I would frame toward there. If it forms manipulation over here, rejects this high, I would treat this as previous day's reversal, today's continuation here, and even here. So the next day's daily profile being the deciding factor, having a look at the daily chart again. ये क्या उड़ा दी? So yes, it could be framed to both sides. The next day's daily profile would have been deciding factor. Price staying in respect to EQ of these opposing candles, forming a candidate for current low of the week, established low of the week. If it wanted to go higher, this was the moment. But if it wants to go lower, sweeping range high, moving away from that. So what would be my invalidation? First, bullish. I would want to see this point 0.5 of this wick being respected, which forms the bullish reversal. And if bearish, I would want to see 0.5 of this down cross previous days, this much movement to be respected. 0.5 of this. Along with that, if bearish, I would want to see manipulation over these highs and not true breakout. If bullish, we want to see true breakout over here. Okay, while disrespecting the EQ. We'll see what next day gives us. Open high GBP. GBP takes out previous day high, so this would be an SMT. Having clear objectives below, so I would prefer to short then long. Daily fair value gap. H1 Batni gap. We'll see if there is file align. Then Thursday reversal. Here Thursday continuation SMT with previous day high or this high you can say. But I would prefer a manipulation over here. But this could be used as well. But for me to touch this, I want to see price move immediately away from it. That's why I trade only New York and not Asia London. Asia London, while my session has came, one idea is either invalidated or one idea is even validated even more. What can I clearly see going into New York? EQ of this being clearly disrespected and price moving away from this SMT, this manipulation. So OHLC day. So clear bearish bias, right? So why try to pick in London when you can have a clear obvious draw in New York? So now can you trust this SMT? Yes, I can, bro. We just move away from that. EQ of this opposing candle or this wick being clearly disrespected. So bearish opposing objective. This and would want to see two breakout below previous day low, this being a relevant objective, not wanna see manipulation there. So going into New York, 6 a.m. comes. Let's go to 6 a.m. Thursday. This looked good on M15, but only New York. Almost near 6 a.m. So yes, this is the best moment if it wants to form true breakout. Sweep these highs. Show lack of willingness to return back inside, immediately move away. Then I frame till here. The most obvious draw, most obvious move for the day. If it forms, if it doesn't form, I don't enter. 6 a.m. sweeps these, comes here. I would have taken no, I would not have, but would have preferred a close below here. We can have a look at the lower time frame. I could have, or but no, I'm okay. It didn't even close. It seems a relevant level to me. Comes comes all the way, so I am thinking this may get swept again into this relevant swing or relevant level, resting above these failure swings. 7 a.m. OHLC, 6B, 6B almost there, swept, yes. So I can't trust this closure, yes, because this is an SMP with these highs. Would have preferred a immediate closure. No closure, idly sweeps this high now and this high, even this high. This looks at least good if it goes immediately or else reaches for here. Almost there, but it did sweep out current H4 high. So good if it moves away. Moving away, this would have been too nice of an entry. 6B. Why nice? 6 a.m. here. Open high. Established high. Move away from that. Aligning with 8 a.m. Open high. Low close. और मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था? Hmm, this seems the more relevant swing to me. This seems the failure swing to this swing. Okay. So nice entry in there. This seems a nice place to trail. Let me see. No, but would I have gone break even? No. I will let it play. uh, it would have gone TP before I go break even, but this is one of those setups clearly tells you. Then if you remember the previous day's lower time frame, compare it with today's lower time frame, Thursday. Clear one-sided direction, one-sided idea, right? And if you can see expansion into new phase, expansion into an objective, into new phase, which is that phase? This does not look like a reversal to me. So either a retracement or consolidation. If this is a retracement, internal level as the retracement objective, and price 8 am moves away from that. That's why framing 8 am open high moves away from that here and moves towards the objective. Does it go lower? I don't know. So here I would prefer to go on to the next day. Daily candle has already expanded, so next day. Framing for the from the daily chart again. What I can think now is range high manipulation. So range low opposing swing becomes an objective. So if price shows a manipulation here, move higher. If disrespects this, does not show any relevance, then I would frame to the next relevant swing, which I did frame today. So I can say Tuesday or Wednesday reversal, or Tuesday reversal. So Thursday, Wednesday. I can frame Friday higher, but if this doesn't show any relevance, then Friday lower as well. So GBP, 1 second. GBP didn't turn. GBP tells me it reaches to the Monday high low, which has no wick, and this objective current week having no wick to the downside, so reaches there idly, but it can frame higher off of these relevant swings. So daily profile being the deciding factor again. H1. But I can see is price expanding into an objective. Immediate move away. I can frame this move higher as a retracement or reversal. If this was a retracement, opposing swing objective has been met. If this move higher is a reversal, then this point for this lower wick should be respected. But if this move higher is a retracement, opposing objective has been met, closes below here, then retracement is complete. Retracement to expansion now. Yes, it does close and almost on the verge of disrespecting the EQ of this week. GBP, कोई आइडिया नहीं. Now it does disrespect the EQ of this week. So going into New York, I am bearish again. Daily expansion candle, open high, small wick, moves away. I would prefer a London retracement to the New York expansion lower. I don't trade London with wait. What would be my objective? This would be my objective. Relevant swing. See why this is not a relevant swing to me. This is, and ultimately this H1 Batmizi gap, H4, no, H1 Batmizi gap, and this opposing relevant swing being objective to me. Price retraces 3am, no participation still. 4am, this is telling me retracement could have been completed, and now retracement to expansion. I would need to look at GBP. GBP has reached to the Monday's low, which had no wick for the week, so I would want to stay cautious here. This closure looks good. This tells me expansion to retracement to then expansion again. I can frame 6 AM expansion lower to these objectives now. Immediately moving away from the retracement of the objective. So if you want, you could have framed 5 AM expansion lower. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, dun, 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 dun. 5 AM opens here. Yes, if you wanted to take something, you could have taken this, as 5 AM is a H4 candle as well in forex. Open high opposing candle into relevant opposing candle respecting mean threshold of those opposing candles. Yes, forming propulsion block. Retracement objective being met here 4 AM. You could have taken this, but risk reward not in your favor, so prefer to wait for lower time frame entries. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't trust this high at all. 6B. This is an SMT. Okay. London high. This is an SMT. Okay, I will stay cautious. Sweep this. I can frame now. 7M OH comes back. No, I don't think this stays protected. Yes, got swept. Only chart idea again. भाई बल्ले आराम से आराम से. If I were to take, I would have preferred EQ of this being respected, which was till then, but but is disrespected, and but do I saw that forming an established high for the day, right? Immediately moving away. So this would be a reversal on the lower time frame. If you are able to see, yes, I took a position after this candle that day. Okay, nice. I do remember now. Is formed and established high swept out current high of the day, immediately moves away. So you can trust this high. Daily OHLC, small wick, established high, move away. You can frame till here. I took 10 AM or around the closing of 9 AM. Uh, this looked nice, but would have to see M5. Not so nice on M5. If you were to take, this looked good on M3, but I don't think I took this. I took around 9 AM or 10 AM. before 10 a.m. I guess. This was an SMT, I guess. Is equal high because I wasn't trusting these. No SMT, so still not trusting these. Price comes, sweeps, पीछे हो जा पीछे. Sweeps those, immediately moves away, forming 9 a.m. open high. 5 minutes दिखाओ मेरे को. This closure or the M3 closure, any. I guess I took that to the objective. Then this would have been my stop, or this could have been another nice entry. 10 a.m. can't get any. 10 a.m. open high, sweeping out a high, move away, closing below here. Not too nice of a low time frame structure, but yes, 2 hour would have been there. If it goes for TP, I don't remember. Yes, it does. I don't have any logical reason to frame any more lower. If you want, you could have taken this true breakout if it forms. Does not form. Yes, so logical TP around here. More than 3 hours. If you missed this, you could have framed 10 a.m. OHLC with your stop there. 2 hours. Why this? Previous candle into relevant level. Next candle open high, expands away, sweeps out the high, respects this, closes below here. Too nice of a framework. M5 close below here, which is does not do. Now does. If you were to take 5 minutes, you could have taken this. And it does expand as well. Or if you were to take 5 minutes here, it does expand as well. That's why I frame entries in New York only, because it either invalidates your idea if it is supposed to be wrong, or even validates it more. Now going on to the last day of the week, which is, oh sorry, this was the last day. So this made me think sweep of current high of the day, forming established high over there, so I can frame expansion lower to the relevant objectives here, and this opposing swing. This is not a relevant swing to me. This is. So current high of the day moves away from that. I frame entries here, here, here. Daily expansion candle supporting that expansion. I don't remember what happened thereafter. Yes, not much of anything. And then new week opens up. So quick daily overview. Hmm, this day you could have framed long as well, but this day's daily profile tells you to short till this objective, relevant objective. But this day's daily profile invalidates longing this idea, so that's why I went short. I don't remember which objective I took on H4, but this looks like that objective from the daily, because this low is a failure swing to this low. You could not be able to see this as a relevant swing on daily, but you will be able to see this as a relevant swing on H4. Yes, I was right. H for relevant swing, and this not being a relevant swing, right? Price forming current high of the day with manipulation moving away. You frame till here, right? Dun, 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 dun. And so using this as a framework, this was my draw this week, which got hit today, and I took a position today as well. I will show you. Dun, dun. This was my position today in EURUSD, targeting that daily FVG, resting around 0.08250 live chart, 2850. कहाँ गया वो daily FVG resting, yes, 0.8250, 0.8250, and there it goes. वो तो ठीक है, goes मैंने भेजा कहाँ, हाँ यहाँ daily FVG goes till there. Dun, 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 dun. So that would be enough for today. We'll meet you next week. Goodbye till then. Take care. Dun, dun.